Be going through and repainting the black on these. First I got to go through and clean it off, and then we'll use some of this I guess engine enamel black, as long as it has like a high temp. We're going to use some of that. So what we're going to do is go through and wash them. This is the back and this is the front. These are to my Al Cabono set. So we're not going to be worried about the back because it's pretty rusty and no one's going to see the back. But we are going to focus on this lip right here. And then the face is what we're going to be focusing on. Same with the back of the front. We're just going to be focusing on the lip and the face. So what we're going to do first is we're just going to go ahead and wash it over there. I got some soap in a bucket and some water to wash it. It might help to have some of this steel wool or something to agitate it. Alright, so now we got the brake all cleaned. For the most part, it's nice. And then we're just gonna leave that uncovered. No need to tape the back because we're just gonna lay it down and spray it. So that's basically it. Just kind of tape around and clean up. And you can do this with like any kind of tape really. I prefer like maybe this blue tape would be pretty good. But yeah, this is the front. So with this one, you can see in that vent, you can see my thumb. So the vent actually goes down and through and under. So we're just gonna tape this part like we did before and leave this, and the paint will just kind of flow through. All right, and that's the back ones. So that's about it. We're gonna start spraying our black on. We're just gonna work on these veins and try to get some black inside the veins. This can sprays in like a pretty fine circle, so just be careful so you don't overspray. So what we'll do is we'll go one way and then we'll hit the top, and then we'll go the other way the next time, and then we'll hit the top again. So like that, and we'll go this way now. Also try to get down in there. Since this is a front, we don't really have to worry about getting down like up in here because you won't see any of that. You'll just see, of course, the face in the back. So we'll try to hit some of this back here too. Go pretty thick on it. You now know how to kind of spray your brakes and how to tape them up pretty easy. So I'm gonna leave you with that, and thank you for watching.